What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use AI for free in order to create any storytelling or even a presentation that you can use on your school project, on your work, on your job presentation, okay, reunion. So what to do? Very first thing to do, it's of course like this video, share this content with a friend of yours, subscribe the channel once you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your favor, okay? Everything for free. So after this mate, go to Google and type Tome app, okay? So right, just like this, okay? Go to this one, it's on beta version, or simply click into the link that I'm gonna leave into the video description below, that you're gonna be into this page and gonna gain your invitation to participate for this, okay? So what to do, you can sign in, okay? Click right here. I'm already signed up, so I have no need to sign in again. However, you're gonna need to create your account. You can create with Google or Apple IDs. And you can use a pre-built template or just click onto the create button into the upper right corner of your screen. Now we're gonna need to enter a title. You can enter a title in any language you want, okay? In my case, my presentation title is gonna be 10 best cities to live on the world. Simple as it is. Type enter, wait a moment, they are creating a presentation for you, exploring the world's top 10 cities to live in. I will not cut the video so you can review the process happening automatically. We are on 4 already. 6, 7, 8, 'Can you see how fast does it work? And the presentation has been created. Presentation created. Try again or keep. I would like to keep the presentation. So let's check out. Here is my presentation. Exploring the world's top 10 cities to live in. Let's go to the next slide. Can you see? They even added some pictures for you. Those pictures uses AI as far as I can review. Really good, right? And of course, we can customize this in the case that you want. We can change this content. However, as far as I can review, the content is really well written, okay? But it's still on beta version. Updates needs to be made, of course, but it's already a very good option. A very good option to start with. If you review the very right section of my screen, I can see some buttons in order to play with. We can change colors, you can change themes, you can change a lot of things in order to do this presentation. If I review the upper right corner of my screen, I can see some buttons to play the presentation, to do some comments, to share, to duplicate, to rename, to add logo, or to delete the presentation. You can even adjust the image. If you double click, you can change the zoom on the image, you can change some other parts, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to try yourself. I'm gonna leave a link into the description below so you can try. You can create any kind of presentation you want, and in the case that you want to share, all you have to do is copy the link. By now, it is what we have for this. However, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain free widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. And absolutely for free. In order to use the best free WordPress theme on the planet, just go to our WordPress, dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo, click on install and activate it. It's completely free as well. And as a final note, in the case that you want to have your site up and running faster, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass to unlock access to Visual Modo Templates Library, premium icon packs, blocks, elements, design assets, and many more topics and items like our full support, for example. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!